All of you are welcome in the class of the dynamic measurement of viscoelastic fluids. You know the viscoelastic fluids are those fluids in which the characteristics of elasticity and viscosity both are present. Understand, Vandana? And because of the nature that their viscosity as well as they have elasticity both, so the dynamic measurement is done with the help of parallel plate viscometer or cone and plate viscometer under the uh, under the oscillating mode. Oscillating mode is the mode in which the lower plate is oscillated at a frequency omega radian per second. However, the upper plate is not given any frequency, but between the upper plate and lower plate, the fluid material whose viscoelastic fluid material whose viscoelasticity is to be measured is being kept. So as soon as the oscillation is given uh, to the lower plate, the oscillation in the fluid material as well as the oscillation in the upper plate will be induced. Rule number 2. Hello, Vikas Kumar. Hello, Vikas Kumar. 30 तारीख को क्लास हुआ था
सर विकास अभी नहीं आया सर
Now here I want to say that this is very much important observation for the viscoelastic fluids and time dependent fluid in which the cone and plate viscometer and parallel plate viscometers are used in the oscillatory mode. To measure the time dependent viscoelastic properties of the viscoelastic fluids, these are to be made into oscillatory mode by giving a lower plate one oscillation at a frequency of omega radian per second. As a result, in the lower plate of the cone and plate viscometer or the parallel plate viscometer on which the fluid material is kept, a strain is developed, sinusoidal strain is developed. Use figure is like this, just like आपको बनता है. हेलो.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, तो ये आप याद कर लो कि जब R इक्वल टू R, जब गामा इक्वल टू गामा 0 साइन ओमेगा t होगा, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो रेट ऑफ स्ट्रेन d गामा बाय dt इज इक्वल टू गामा 0 ओमेगा cos ओमेगा t. एक ओमेगा t का डिफरेंशियल ओमेगा आएगा और साइन ओमेगा t का cos ओमेगा t. नाउ जब इसको हम लोग जैसा बड़ा कर लो, ये वाला छोटा है. So the shear stress is deduced with the torque which is sensed by the upper plate from the lower plate. The strain is given and that strain will cause a sinusoidal stress in the upper plate depending upon the viscoelastic property of the fluid material between the plate. There may be two types of conditions. One is viscous and other is elastic. It may be only viscous, then the stress value will be about pi by 2 phase or radian phase out of phase with the strain. And if it is only elastic, the stress will be in phase with the strain. And when there will be elasticity and viscosity both are present, then this value of the del it will be between 0 and pi by 2. For 0, it is purely elastic. For pi by 2, it is purely viscous. For viscoelastic, the value will be between 0 and pi by 2. This is only to understand. How? Suppose tau is equal to mu gamma dot, that is by Newton's law of viscosity for Newtonian fluid. Tau is equal to mu d gamma by dt. This can be written as tau is equal to mu gamma 0 omega cos omega t. This can be written by trigonometry mu gamma 0 omega sin omega t plus pi by 2 or pi by 2 plus omega. You can write it in another way. Pi by 2 plus omega t. This will be removed. So therefore, del is equal to pi by 2 for viscous fluid and pi by 2 written out of phase for strain, or ideally it is tau is equal to g gamma. Now when you go for the viscoelastic material, the value of the del will be between 0 and pi by 2. And the storage modulus g dash omega or g dash w जो भी कहें is equal to tau 0 by gamma 0 cos del. And this storage modulus is the measure of energy stored and subsequently related to per cycle of the deformation. For viscoelastic materials, the elastic part of the stress, which is part of the stress in phase with the strain, corresponds to the storage modulus. This is the elastic part of the stress, which is part of the stress in phase with strain. It is part of the stress which is in phase with strain, and it corresponds to the storage modulus. This is termed as G dash W is equal to gamma tau 0 upon gamma 0 cos del. However, G double dash W is equal to tau 0 upon gamma 0 sin del, which is the viscous part of the stress. It is the part of the stress which is out of phase with the strain. Which one? This is viscous part, dissipation, heat dissipated part. What is heat dissipated? That is the viscous part. And what is the energy stored? That is the elastic part. Elastic part is G dash W. Viscous part is G double dash W. And here the time del is equal to G double dash W upon G dash W. The complex modulus is given by under root G dash W square plus G double dash W square, and the storage modulus and loss. This is also known as loss modulus. This is known as storage modulus. This is known as loss modulus. Sumit Kumar. This is elastic part. इसके लिख लो. This is elastic part of stress, and this is viscous part. देख लिया आप लोगों ने? Now I will give you that one more slide. If I add that what are the different type of tests which can be performed on mechanical analysis? Type tests on dynamic, mechanical analysis. What are the different tests? Note down the test name. First test is cure test. Cure test. In this test, sample is held at constant temperature and frequency. In this test, sample is held at constant temperature and frequency. Number 2, नहीं दिख रहा है? हेलो, दिख रहा है? दूसरा देखिए, टेम्परेचर
सर
स्वीप
दिखाई दे रहा है सर।
दिखा, नोट करते रहिए, ऐसे हम भेज देंगे। टेम्परेचर स्वीप. In this test, temperature is increased at
ठीक
a
सर।
fixed frequency. In this test, temperature is increased at a fixed frequency. Next is strain sweep. Strain sweep. Here, increasing strain amplitude at fixed frequency. Increasing strain amplitude at a fixed frequency. Next is frequency sweep. Increasing the frequency of oscillation at a fixed strain. Increasing the frequency of oscillation at a fixed strain. Next is the stress relaxation. Relaxation of the stress at a constant strain. Relaxation of the stress at the constant So these are the different tests which can be performed on this method, and this is very important for it is used for paneer, cheese, meat, fruits, yogurt, dahi, meat paste, fish paste, etc. Vegetables, समझिए? हेलो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स,
Yes, sir.
now you got it what I wanted to tell?
Yes, sir.
पूछिए, now it is
हाँ,
going to
sir.
close. पूछिए क्या पूछना है? हेलो,
हाँ सर, समझ गए सर।
देखिए फर्स्ट स्लाइड अगेन, दिस इज सेकंड स्लाइड, दिस इज थर्ड स्लाइड। इसका इसका डेफिनेशन लिख लो। जी डैश ओमेगा कहते हैं या डब्ल्यू क्या लिख दें? ओमेगा कह दीजिए, ओमेगा कह दीजिए, ओमेगा कह दीजिए इसको। अगर ओमेगा कहिएगा तो यहाँ से ओमेगा उठा लीजिए, ये वाला ओमेगा, ये इसको यहाँ से कॉपी कीजिए और यहाँ पे आके इसको ओमेगा 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 ओमेगा। तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है जी कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉडुलस जो है, जी कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉडुलस विल गिव यू the bottom plate oscillates at a specified frequency and applies the torque to the sample. A transducer measure the torque, torque measure कर लेता है, transmit to the sample, and the results are given in the terms G complex modulus under root G dash omega square plus G double dash omega square. Storage modulus is this much tau 0 upon gamma 0 cos del. डेल को यहाँ पे आप चाहे तो डेल बना सकते हैं, सिंबल डेल इज ए सिंबल। ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। इफ यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग।
थैंक यू सर।
अब आपके पास है कि व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द विस्कोइलास्टिक फूड्स। एंड विस्कोइलास्टिक फूड को इस तरह से हम लोग मैकेनिकल मॉडल में लाते हैं। अगर उसको जानना चाहें तो एक स्लाइड और बना देते हैं। देखिए, this is the characteristics of the viscoelastic foods. If you want to show, then I will show you. Number one is the Wiesenberg effect. When, if you want to agitate, time is over. If you want to agitate a Newtonian fluid, if you agitate, it will not rise along the shaft. But if the fluid is viscoelastic, you can observe that fluid may climb the pillar shaft on agitation. ओके, दूसरा है जेट स्वेल। When viscoelastic fluid exit as a jet from a nozzle, it will swell or expand 2 or more times. Two or more times. In short, third is the tubeless siphon. Fluid tends to climb in the tube. In the tube, as it is in contact with the viscous fluid, tends to climb in the tube and comes out. Cylinder. Okay, thank you. Short. Read it by yourself and submit the assignment and the characteristic of the viscoelastic fluid in detail. Okay, because read it yourself and submit the assignment in detail. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.